Hello learners, welcome to CodeBloom. In today's lesson, we'll make our cat move using the arrow keys on the keyboard. By the end of this video, you'll be able to control your own sprite just like in a game. Before we start coding, let's quickly understand something very important called the X and Y axis. In Scratch, this stage is like a map. The x-axis goes left and right, and the y-axis it goes up and down. Now let's start our project. First, I'm choosing a backdrop. I will select a simple background so that we can clearly see the movement of our sprite. Next, I'm keeping the cat sprite only. Now let's make the cat move using arrow keys. First, go to Events and drag the When Green Flag Clicked block. This means our program will start when we click the green flag. Now I will add a Forever block from Control. This is important because we want the program to constantly check which key is being pressed. Inside the Forever loop, I will add 4 if blocks. Why? Because we need 4 conditions for our 4 arrow keys. Now I will go to Sensing block and will add key pressed block inside each if block. First I will choose the up arrow key inside the if condition. If the up arrow key is pressed, then I will change Y by 10. This will move the sprite upward. Let's click the green flag and see if our sprite is moving up. Yes, it's moving. Now for the next if block, I will choose the down arrow key. If the down arrow key is pressed, then I will change Y by -10. This will move the sprite downwards. Let's check. Yes, it's going down. Okay, now next I'll choose the right arrow key. If the right arrow key is pressed, then I will change X by 10. This will move the sprite to the right. Let's check. Yes, it's moving right. Finally, I'll choose the left arrow key. If the left arrow key is pressed, then I will change X by -10. This will move the sprite to the left. Let's click the green flag and check if our sprite is moving left. Yes, I'm pressing left key and our sprite is moving left. So what we did is very simple. We are constantly checking which arrow key is pressed, and based on that, we are updating X and Y positions to make the cat move around the screen. And that's it. Now you can move your sprite using arrow keys in Scratch. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Scratch coding tutorials. See you in the next video.